confirm that polynomials is there.
Yeah, I know that polynomial is there. I want the chapter, like exact, accurate chapter which are coming basically, dear. So that I have to like think about it, right? So that's why I'm just asking, dear.
Okay.
Okay, whenever like tomorrow you will go to school, and if the teacher is there, so please ask from her.
Yeah, she will be. I will tell you, sir. But today she was absent because
Okay,
it's.
okay. No issues, Abdul, no issues.
Okay.
Okay. So let's start the remainder theorem. So everybody, just a second. Let me start with the normal question. So we perform like Abdul and Simran, tell me, we perform the normal division, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no? No?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very good. So basically, remainder theorem is a theorem in which basically same things happen like we do in the normal division. Clear? Any doubt? In this thing, like in the remainder theorem, in the normal division, what we have basically numbers, integers we have. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. So in the same case, right now we are using the remainder theorem, we are also dividing the polynomials as well by a variable, or you can say a factor. Clear? So
Yes.
let's understand, like so I'm giving you one question, like tell me, like I'm taking one example here. 15 is divided by 6. Clear? 15 is getting divided by 6. Can both of you divide it? How will you divide it? You do nothing but, is 15 in the table of 6? Is 15 is the table, if the multiple of 6? No or yes?
No.
Yes, sir.
Is 15 a multiple of 6 here?
No, no, sir. No.
No, no. So you will take a multiple which is less than and which is nearer to 15. Like which is just 6 to the 12. Yes.
Yeah.
And 3 will be left. So this is called what? Can you tell me? Can anybody tell me?
Reminder.
Remainder. Very good. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, very good. So now, just a second. So this is called as remainder. And this is called as?
Dividend.
This one. Dividend. Yes. Dividend or dividend. It's up to you. This is called as?
Divisor.
Divisor. Not, yes, divisor. Sorry. And this is called as? Quotient.
Yes, sir.
Like I just want that you should recall the terms which are basically there. So that's why I've taken this example. So,
yes, sir.
Simran and Abdul, tell me, if you multiply the divisor and quotient, you will get this thing, na? 6
yes,
to
sir.
the 12. And if you add 3, you will get the dividend. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So basically, the formula is basically nothing, not a formula. You can say the relation between dividend and divisor and quotient and remainder is dividend is written as divisor into quotient plus remainder. 6 to the 12 and plus 3.
Yes.
6 to the 12 na, and plus
Yes.
3.
315 dividend.
So that's what you got, dividend. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So basically that's how you will divide, basically you will do the normal division. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes na? So basically so let's take the example. Suppose, just a second, let's take the example is that nothing but that's the question here. It's given as px is given as 2x cube plus x square plus x, and divided by, this whole term is divided by x. So what you will do? You will do nothing but you will write this as 2x cube x square plus x divided by x. Yes or no? You will do the same kind of thing, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is that how you write basically the thing?
Yes, sir.
Got it? So okay. And this can be written as like this or not. Like x can be. Can anybody tell me, is that clear to you, yes or no?
Yes.
And I like basically if you add the things, denominator is same, so it will be added like normally.
Yes.
Yes, Simrat and Abdul?
Yes.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
No.
Very good. So basically, in remainder theorem, we have to identify whether is the factor, like whether the polynomial which we are by which we are dividing is a factor of or not. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No.
No.
Okay. So let's take first question. So if now one more thing is that suppose that remainder in this, like suppose 15, let's take this example, 6 2s are 12 minus and 3 is left, remainder is 3. So now tell me, is 15 a factor of, is 6 is a factor of 15?
No.
No, na?
No.
Because factor is what? Factor is a thing which makes the thing 0.
0.
Which makes the polynomial, or you can say any other thing, algebraic expression, cubic, like anything, it should make that polynomial, it should make that expression a 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
If it's a factor. Like
Yes,
I'm saying that x plus 1 and x plus 2 are the factor. So whatever is this, so suppose this is the polynomial here, x plus 3x plus 2, and this is a polynomial. So any of the value of x should make this polynomial 0. Then you can say this is a factor.
Factor. Yeah, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Anybody, any doubt till now what I've said to you?
No, sir.
So that's what remainder theorem will identify, will help us to basically identify whether the given polynomial, given factor is a given polynomial, like by which we are dividing, is a factor of the polynomial or not. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Is that clear, please? Dear everybody?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Sure.
Okay. So let's take one example and I will like give you the, you can say the algorithm, how you will solve the question. It's a very easy thing. So anybody, don't hesitate, and don't hesitate. It means that don't be uncomfortable while see, like don't get panic like it's looking so good, looking so bad, like long and all. So it would be very easy. You just perform the normal division. It's not more than that. Only variables are mixed, nothing more than that. Just think that you are doing the normal division, which you do in the smaller classes until now. Okay?
Yes.
Just a second. Let me, can I erase this? I like it's just a normal example, so that's why I'm just not writing it. So let me paste the picture here. Here.
Yes.
Just a second. So this is the polynomial which we have to find whether it's a so it said it's asking to divide this px by gx. Px is this and gx is this. So everybody, let's look at the thing. So our px is, p of x is x is x, it is 3x square plus x plus minus 1. Okay, is that clear? I've done nothing but I've just rearranged it. I can do this thing, yes or no?
Yes.
Clear. Our gx is x plus 1 Yes or no, Simrat and Abdul?
Yes.
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No.
No. Okay. So can I write what will I write inside this one or this one?
P of X.
What Simrat?
P of X. You'll write
Yes,
inside.
P of X, because it's saying divide Px by Gx. So we have to write Px inside the bracket, basically in the division sign. Clear?
Yes.
So it is 3x square plus x minus 1 and Gx will be like this. Clear? Okay. So basically you have to do nothing but you have to multiply x with such a number and variable, you will get 3x square. So now tell me, 3x square we have to make with x. What should I multiply this? What should I multiply with this x so that I can get 3x square? Sorry. Tell me. If I want 6 and I have 2, what number should I multiply with 2?
4. 3.
4? 3.
3.
It will make 2 into 3, 6. If I have x and 3x square is there, which number should I multiply to make it 3x square?
Yes, sir. Say again.
I'm saying that if I have x and I have to make that x to 3x square, so which number, by which number should I multiply this x?
Sir, x square plus 3x.
No. Is there any plus sign? I'm just asking the 3x, not the whole. I'm just saying that just focus on the first term, which is the highest power, which has the highest power. You have to multiply the divisor with such a number so that you can get the highest power term. If I multiply this term as 3x, should I get 3x square? It's just simple. Why is like anybody not answering? Isn't it very hard? If I multiply 3x into x, x is already there. I need to make only one x so that it become x square.
Yes.
And 3 is the coefficient, which means simply you just have to multiply 3 with the number. What is there which is the I'm saying, what is the difficult thing in this? Tell me. Why did nobody answer? Yes, everybody. So you have to make that division so that you have to multiply with such a number, like just you have to take this variable and multiply it with such a number so that you can get this thing, the first thing, which is highest power term with coefficient. Clear?
Yes.
So it's 3x because x is already there. I will get 3x square. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So it is 3x. I'm writing 3x. So it will be 3x square. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Multiply this one with 3x. What you will get? Positive of 3x. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
And in division, what you will do? You just subtract the thing which is nearer to the term.
Sir, minus 2x minus 1.
Yes, Abdul, just you can say just step by step, because it's a confusing process. I know that you got it, but still we have to go with steps right now, so that we can identify the whole steps process. Clear? Because it's a very easy question, I know, but when you will get cubic and bi-quadratic as well. So in that case, you will have to like the concept basically. Okay. So we will do that thing, but you are right. Basically, the answer you have told you. So now tell me, Simrat and Abdul.
Yes.
If I do this will is nothing but we minus the thing. Yes or no?
Yeah. Sign will change.
Yes, na?
Yes.
Yes.
Plus
So
minus.
3x is getting subtracted by 3x square is subtracted by 3x square.
Yeah.
So it will be 0. We won't write anything. and x minus 3x. We take this sign. Everybody, yes or no? We take this sign because this is the final sign of this thing.
Yeah.
Simrat and Abdul? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So minus 2x will be left because x minus 3x. Minus
And
1
minus
was
one
already
will be
there.
already there.
Minus
Yeah.
1 was already there. Now I have minus 2x. I have to basically I want minus 2x and I already have x. Which number should I multiply with x so that I can get minus 2x?
Yes.
What number should I multiply? Tell me, everybody. Yes, Simrat?
Minus 2.
Minus
2.
2. Yes. Minus 2 because I want minus 2. So I will multiply this x with minus 2 so that I can get everybody, yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
You just have to
Yes.
focus the first term. Don't focus on this term because you just have focus you have to eliminate first this term, and whatever you get, you will get another first term you have to make with the quotient. Clear? Any doubt in this?
No.
So this is minus 2x now. 2 into minus 2x.
Sir, again minus 2x.
Minus 2x. Okay.
Minus
Multiply this plus 1 with minus 2.
Minus 2, sir.
Minus 2. Now
Uh,
you have to make
sir,
this
sign
sign.
will change. Yeah.
Sign will change na basically because
Plus.
minus will become. What will it become?
Plus.
Everybody.
Plus.
Plus na minus will become plus.
Yeah.
Again minus will become plus.
Plus.
Simrat and Abdul, is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this?
Yes.
No.
So
No.
this will become 0. Minus 2 plus minus 2x plus 2x.
Sir,
0.
0 already.
0 na? Minus 1 plus 2.
1, sir.
1. So which means that now listen, this is 1. If you multiply, if you want x, suppose if you are thinking that I also have, but now you don't have anything. If you multiply with any number with x, it will get x because we don't have x right now. So there is no need to do that thing, right? All the variables are eliminated. Only
Yes,
the
sir.
constant number is left, which means that it is
One.
your
Remainder.
remainder. Clear?
Yeah.
Any doubt in this?
No.
So basically, now tell me, is this a factor of px? Is gx factor of px?
No.
No, na. In this question, basically, it was nothing. It was asking basically nothing, but it was asking the just divided. And I've told you that if I'm giving you extra thing which is there, I'm telling you that if the remainder becomes 0, it means that the division is a factor of dividend. Clear? But not, it means that it's not a factor. Clear? Now if you have to verify that you have got the correct answer or not, if you basically put this x, the value of x in the polynomial, you will get the value of px as 1, x plus 1. So 0 of px is what? Verification. I'm writing here verification. How you will verify that you have done the thing correct or not? Now tell me, x plus 1 equals to 0. So x will be minus 1.
Minus 1.
Yes.
So at p of minus 1 should be equals to 1. If you have done it right, it should be equals to remainder. Your value of px should be equals to remainder. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So put the value of px as minus 1 in the polynomial. 3 minus 1 square plus minus 1 minus 1. So it is 3 because it's even. So it will be positive 3 minus 1 which is 3 minus 2 equals to 1. So now you are getting 1, which means that you have done the division correctly. Yes or no? Yes or no, Simrat and Abdul? Tell me, is that clear to you, everybody?
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Because I can write the term, I can
No.
write the statement which are like very lengthy as it is from the NCERT, but I don't want that kind of thing. You should understand. I don't want that like maths is not about the statements and all. Maths is about the concept. Clear? Have you got this concept? Because I can like NCERT already gave the algorithm, like it's a 5 to 6 line long para you have to read, then you after that you think what is there basically. But now I've told you the practical, basically I've told you the with the example, so that you can understand a little bit more better. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubt in this? Just a second.
No.
Clear? So if you want the
Yes.
verification, if you want the assurance, you can use the verification process to like basically to get assured that you have done the question correctly or not. So that's what a remainder theorem is. You just have to divide the polynomial by a factor, which means that you have to identify. In some of the question, it will directly say it's a divide this thing. In some of the question, it will say check whether this polynomial, this factor, like this, you can say this term is a factor of this polynomial or not. So basically, if the remainders become 0, it will be a polynomial. It will be a factor. If it's not,
Factor. It will not be a factor.
basically the remainder is not 0, which means that you will not that the term, the given divisor is not the factor of polynomial. Okay, let's take one more question and understand it in a little more better way. Simrat and Abdul, have you got this, what I've told you here?
Yes.
What
Yes,
you need, what should be your first step? Nothing but, okay, so let's understand what this question is saying. It's the same kind of question, but you can see that by quadratic power 4 is there. Clear?
Yes.
Let's understand. The question is saying that divide the polynomial by this. Okay. Sorry. So it's saying that divide the polynomial by this. So what should I write inside the bracket? Tell me. Why is everybody silent? Simrat Abdul.
3x raised to 4 minus
3x raised to 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1, and x minus 1 should be written outside because it's the divisor. It's called.
Yes.
So Simrat and Abdul, I want 3x square, 3x to the power 4, and I have x. What should I multiply with this x so that I can get the 3x to the power 4?
3x cube.
3x cube, very good. 3x cube, because this is 3 and 1 power is there, it will get 4. Clear?
Yes.
3x 4. So I should write 3x cube here. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
And minus 1 will multiply it with minus 3. What will it become? Yes, Simrat Abdul?
Minus 3x cube.
Minus 3x cube. Now that this is the the subtraction, so sign will change.
Yes.
Yes or no? 3x to the power 4 and 3x to the power 4 will get cancelled because they are equal.
Yes.
Now tell me, this is negative x cube minus x cube and minus 4x cube, and this is positive 3x cube. So what will it be, what will be left?
Positive.
No, no. Why positive? 4 is greater than 3 or 3 is greater than 4?
4 is
Negative
greater.
4 is greater, na? Negative 4 and positive 3. So x cube minus of x cube will be left, na?
Okay.
Minus 3x will be written as it is and minus 1 will be written as it is. Now I have x is x again and I want minus x cube. What should I multiply with x so that I can get minus x cube?
Minus x square.
Minus x square into x will become minus x cubes. Very good. So minus x square will be written here. So minus x cube will be there. 1 into minus x square. Now minus 1 into minus x square. What will it become? Simrat, Abdul, tell me.
Positive x square.
What?
Positive x square.
Positive x square. So it will be written as positive x square. Okay. Now subtract the sign. So basically the sign will change. Yes or
Plus.
no?
Yes.
Plus, and this will become minus. Clear, Abdul and Simrat?
Yes, sir.
Okay. X cube will be cancelled out. Minus of x cube and positive of x cube. Yes or no?
Minus 4x.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Now only x square is there. No other term is there to cancel out x square. So which means that minus of x square will be written as it is. Minus 3x will be written as it is, and minus will also be written as it is. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No.
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. Now Simrat, I have x and I want minus x square. I have x. What should I multiply with x?
Minus x.
Minus x should be multiplied with x so that I can get minus x square. Very good. Abdul and Simrat, very good. So minus x. So it will be minus x square minus 1 into minus x. What will I get?
Positive x.
Positive x. Very good. So sign will change. This will become positive. This will become negative.
Minus.
Yes, Abdul and Simrat?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So this is negative of x square. This is positive of x square. This will get cancelled. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is negative x 3x. This is again, this is negative 3x, negative x again. So it will add or subtract?
Subtract, sir.
Here, minus 3x and minus x. Minus 3x, x minus x. It will get added na minus 4x.
Yeah, minus 4x.
So minus 4x will be there. And minus 1 will be written as
Minus
it is. Now I want minus 4x and I have x. So what should I multiply to get minus 4x? I have x already.
Sir, minus 3x.
Minus 3x. Sure?
Yes.
Minus 4.
Minus 4. Abdul, why are you saying wrong? Minus 4 should be multiplied to get minus of 4x. Already x is there. Why should I need x?
Oh, okay,
Yes or
sir.
no?
Yes.
So I want minus of 4.
Minus
So minus 4x is there. Minus 1 into minus 4.
Plus 4.
Plus 4. Very good. Plus 4. Sign will change. Yes or no? This is positive.
Yes.
This is negative 4x. This is positive 4x.
Sir, minus 5.
So 1 and minus 4. Minus 5. Very good.
Yeah.
Now tell me, is there any way to cancel this thing? No, na?
No.
So which means that the remainder is minus 5. So if you want verification, so you can put x equals to 1 in p of x to verify whether you are getting the remainder correctly or not. So just do that thing. P of 1, not 5, 1, sorry. Equals to, what is the value? 3x4, 4 minus 4x cube minus 4, 1 cube and minus 3 into 1 minus 1. Yes. This will be 3 minus 4 minus 3 minus 1. So negative 3 and positive 3 will cancel. Minus and minus 1 minus 5. Minus 4 and minus 1 will be minus 5. Clear?
Clear.
Now tell me, like we have done the thing right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Sure? Which means that
Sure.
this is the x equals to 1 is what? 0 of this polynomial. This is a polynomial, na? X minus 1 is a polynomial or not? Linear polynomial, I've told you. Because power is 1, na?
Yes, sir. It's polynomial.
Yes, na? Abdul and Simrat, clear?
Clear.
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No.
No.
Okay. So that's how the remainder theorem works. Is that clear, Abdul and Simrat? Tell me, Simrat, now tell me, is that tough?
No.
I've told you, na, it looks like that it's very tough. Like some basically in schools, the teachers assume that you know the basics thing. But sometimes happen that like we are human beings, that we forget the things very usually. That's in human nature. Like we cannot memorize and think like keep everything in our mind. I know that our mind is capable of everything, but sometimes it happens. So schools don't think that we have, like they just directly put down that thing and do the solve calculation. But
Yes, sir.
Because they have limited time to complete syllabus, so that's why they don't usually explain everything. So that's why the every topic looks very tough. Okay. But when it comes to the thing, like explanation is the most necessary thing, whether it's like in case of any subject. I'm not saying only maths, even in science, history, geography, pol science, everything. Explanation is necessary. If you explain well, if anyone explains well, you can understand the most toughest topics in such a very simple manner. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's how the explanation requires in the mathematics to understand the steps, how you will define the terms, to how you will approach the question. So have you got this? What you have to do in the first thing whenever you are going to use the remainder theorem and whenever you are going to divide that polynomial?
Yes.
Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this?
No.
Okay. So let's use this thing. Okay. So I'm giving you one question. Can you solve that thing if I give you?
Yes.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Yes.
And it like, okay, let's do that. Just a second. Just a second. Just give me a second. Okay. So I'm giving you one question. It's a very simple question. Like it's a chocolate type question, you can say. It's very easy. So only this kind of questions will be there, Simrat, because Abdul has no, like Abdul. Do you have, Abdul, this topic?
Which one, sir?
Remainder theorem, Abdul?
Yes, sir. Maybe.
You have?
Maybe.
Okay, okay. No issues. Like we are covering, which if it's not there, no issues. And if it's there in there, so that will be a like plus point for you, both of you. Okay. So solve this question. I'm giving you 2 minutes. It's very easy. Only 3 to 4 steps will be needed. Okay. Giving you 2 minutes again. Okay. Sure. Solve it.
Sir, we have to do this long division theorem or remainder theorem?
Yes, Abdul. You just have to just apply the normal division, what we have done in this previous two questions examples.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I can do reminder theorem, yeah?
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, can you see? I've done.
Okay, just give me a second. Show me the division. Show me the division, Abdul.
Yes, sir.
Show me the division. Like this one part.
Yeah, yes, sir. Wait.
Everybody done? Almost 3 minutes I have given to you. It's a very simple question. Okay. Like, okay. Let's come to this point. Let's look at the screen. Okay. Already time is up. Like, we have to cover the extra questions as well. Okay. So we have to find the remainder. It means that it's already, if it's saying that we have to find the remainder, it means that it's not a factor of this. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, no? So let's take this thing. So x cube will be written inside the bracket and x plus 1 is there. So Simrat and Abdul, I need x cube. What thing should I multiply with x so that I can get the x cube?
X square.
X square should be multiplied. Very good. X cube minus. And only one thing. Minus 1 into plus 1 into x square. So it will be x square. So sign will change, yes or no, Simrat and Abdul?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Just a second. Let me raise this thing.
Sir, minus plus.
This will be minus and this will
Minus
be minus
one.
again. Okay. X positive x cube, negative x cube. So it will get cancelled. Is there any x square apart from like which can cancel this x square term? Yes or no?
Yeah, sir.
Is there any x square term by which I can subtract this x square term?
Yes.
Is there any? Do we have any x square term apart from this in this
Yes.
division?
No.
No, na? So I will write x square as it is and this positive one will be
Yes,
here.
one.
Okay. Now tell me, I want minus x square. I have x. What should I multiply with with x? Minus x should be minus x. Abdul, minus is there, na?
Minus x.
So minus x will be multiplied. So minus x
Minus
square
x square minus
plus 1 into minus x. So it will be minus x.
x.
Sign will change. This will become positive and this will become positive. So x
Both.
square will cancel this negative x square. So x now there is nothing which can subtract this x. So I will write x as it is plus 1.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this?
No.
Okay. So if it's this, what is there? X plus 1 or x, like I want x and I have x. So what should I multiply with x?
1.
1. Very good. So 1 will be multiplied. So plus 1. Clear everybody? Any Simrat and Abdul?
Yes, sir.
X into 1, x plus 1 into
Plus
1,
1.
1. In that
Reminder is
minus,
0.
so remainder is 0. So
Yeah.
it means that, yes or no? It means that it's a factor.
Yes, sir.
And if I have to verify, so x, just a second. So 0 of this px cube, 0 of x plus 1 should be x equals to minus 1. 0
Yes.
of x plus 1 is minus 1. How minus 1? Can anybody tell me?
X plus 1, sir, equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1.
Minus 1. That's how. So let's put the value of x minus 1 in the p, which is what is the value? Equals to 1 cube, 1 cube, minus
Yeah.
1 cube, sorry, not 1 cube, minus 1 cube. Minus 1 is there, na?
Yeah.
Plus 1. So now tell me, it will be positive 1 or negative 1?
Negative.
Why?
Because
Abdul, are you, Samrat, are you there?
Yes.
Why are you not answering, Samrat?
I'm answering.
Okay. So will it be positive or negative, Abdul and Simrat? Tell
The
me.
1 cube
Yes, 1 cube. Minus 1 cube.
will be positive
It will be positive. Why?
because the negative divided by multiplied odd times is negative.
Negative. So why did you say positive 1?
I said positive.
Yes, you said positive in the start.
Oh.
But when you stated the statement and you just got like, I have stated that it's positive, but now it's negative. Okay, Abdul and Simrat got it. Whenever there is a negative sign and it's multiplying odd times, so the answer will be negative. Okay?
yes, sir. I said negative. You said why?
Very
So
good.
I became confused.
That's why I did ask you why it is negative. I want the statement from you.
I told you I'm wrong, so I just
No.
muted.
I got it that you said negative. I just wanted the answer why it is negative. I've
Okay.
told you that whenever the negative sign is multiplied odd times, 3 is an odd number, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So its negative sign is there and it's multiplying odd times. It means that it will be negative. So minus 1 plus 1. So it is 0. So you have done the division correctly. Clear?
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No.
Sure?
Sure.
Sure?
Sure.
Okay, I'm giving you a lengthy question now. Now let me solve, you have to solve that question in 3 minutes. Not lengthy question. Just divide this and then after that verify it. Next, and after this, I will tell you one thing like for remainder theorem part. Okay, do it. Giving you 3 minutes. Do it. Divide this thing. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Do it.
Sir, is it visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Wait, it's here, yeah.
Just a second. Where is the division part, Abdul?
Sir, I just did the reminder theorem.
Okay, I've told you that like you can use reminder theorem, but I want that you should know the long division method first. After that, after this question, I will tell you, like, that's very good that you got it, how to use remainder theorem, but I want the long division part as well, Abdul. Do it.
Look, that's why I skipped.
Okay, don't, okay, don't worry. Let's,
Okay.
we'll do it together. Like, after that, Simrat, have you done?
Okay.
I'm
Simrat,
stuck.
you're stuck. Where?
See, there are mistakes in.
What?
Yes, Abdul. Yes, Simrat. Simrat,
I didn't say anything.
you said, I think you are stuck.
Yes.
Okay, okay, just give, okay, so we will, okay, just give me a second. I'm just starting the question. Just a second. Okay, so basically the question is saying, so question is asking to divide, basically to find the remainder. Okay, so its question is asking to find the remainder of this polynomial if I dividing this. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to divide it. First thing you should come, which comes to your mind is that which comes to your mind, tell me, is that nothing but just write down the things.
X square plus x cube. X minus 1.
Clear? Now I want x to the power 4. What should I multiply with x so that I can get the value of x4? X cube. Multiply. So I have x cube is there and x cube is written down. So minus 1 into x. Minus 1 into x cube.
Minus x.
Minus x cube. Now Simrat, we are subtracting. Sign will change. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Yes, na?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. So this will get cancelled. Positive
Yes.
x cube, positive x cube. So 2x cube will be there. Minus 2x square plus x plus 1. Clear? Is that clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now next thing is that I want 2x cube and I have x. What should I multiply with x so that I can get 2x cube?
2x square.
2x square should be multiplied. Okay, that's great. So 2x square is the cube is there and I have multiplied with 2x square. Clear? So
Yeah.
it is, so now 2x square is there minus 1 into 2x square. So this will be negative.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
So this will negative. This will positive. Sign will change. I've told you. 2x square minus 2x square, it will be 0. Negative
0.
2x square, positive 2x square. It will be 0, yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Only what will left? X plus 1
X
will
plus
be
1.
left. I have x. I want I want x and I have x. So what should I multiply with x?
1. 1.
Positive 1 will be multiplied.
Yeah.
So x into 1, positive x, minus 1 into plus 1, negative 1.
Negative 1.
Sign will change.
Yeah.
X will cancel out negative, and
2.
1 plus 1 plus 1, 2.
2.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, if I have to verify this thing, so 0 of x minus 1 is 1, yes or no?
Yes.
So let's put the value here, p of 1 to the power 4 plus 1 to the power 3 minus 2 into 1 square plus 1 plus 1. Clear? So 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 1. So this will 2 will cancel out this. So 1 plus 1 will be left 2. Clear?
Yeah. Clear.
Very good. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
Sure. So that's basically that you have done this thing right. So if something is given to you like that in some of the questions, the question is asking find the remainder of the theorem. Sorry, find the remainder when this is divided by this. So for that, you don't need to perform this calculation. If the question is saying find the remainder, if the question is saying this, if the question is saying divide the polynomial, so you have to divide this, you have to perform this long division.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but when the question is saying that find the remainder obtained by dividing this and this, for that you can say that for that there's a small step. You can say, I'm giving you a actual remainder theorem words. Okay, so remainder theorem says nothing but it says that if px any polynomial, okay, I'm writing the remainder theorem proper definition. Let px be any polynomial, just a second, of degree greater than or equal to 1, and let a be real number. I will explain this term you like to you everybody, don't worry about it. If px is divided by, if px is divided by linear polynomial, in all the questions you see that all the terms are linear. This is x minus 1, this is x plus 1, and this is again x minus 1. So all the terms are linear. The degree of the divisor polynomial is linear, yes or no?
Yes.
Linear polynomial x minus a. So a is a real number. Okay, a is a real number. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so a is a real number. Then remainder is p of a. So nothing but this verification process is used to find out the remainder of question. What we have done, Simrat and Abdul, tell me, this is x minus a, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
If I put the value of p of a, if I have just nothing but Simrat and Adil, it's x minus a equals to 0. What you will get the value of x as 0, x is a, so yes or no? And if I put, I'm just doing what? I'm putting the value of p of a, yes or no? If it's x minus 1 equals to 0, so x equals to 1, I'm putting 1 here, na? It means that it is equals to a, the question which the statement which is referring.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, Simrat and Abdul?
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No.
So basically, after when you put that when you put that 0 of the polynomial into this polynomial, you will, whatever is left is called as the remainder. It is remainder na, yes or no? 2 is there, it is remainder na. That's why I told you the long division method first before explaining the remainder theorem, so that you now you have got this point, yes or no?
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Any doubt in this, Abdul and Simrat? Please be honest here. I don't want any kind of flattering answer. If you have any single, like even single doubt, pin type doubt, just ask me. Yes, Imran and Abdul?
No.
Any doubt?
No. No.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. So that's what remainder theorem is. So I will explain to you how to use this question, like basically how to solve this question as well. Let me take this question here and use this again. Okay. So this question is asking, find the remainder of this polynomial if it's divided by x minus 1. Yes or no? So
Yeah.
how you will
Yeah.
write the thing? P of x equals to x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no? And suppose it's g of x. It's g of x equals to x minus 1. Yes or no? So if it is dividing by this, x minus 1 should be equals to 0, because we need to find out the 0 of this polynomial. So x is equals to 1 or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So clear? Now what you will do? You will just put p of 1 as 1 to the power 4 plus 1 cube
The power
minus 2
3
1a square plus 1 and plus 1. So 1 plus 1
plus 1
minus 2 plus 1
plus
plus
1
1. This will get cancelled, this 2, and only 2 will be left. So that will be your answer if you have this kind of question. Clear? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Just a second. So both of you will be having a assessment. You will be having an assessment today. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just a second. Any doubt? Now, if I give you, because in the starting, I was just, I just wanted that you should at least understand how to divide the thing. Simrat, is that clear? Because
Yes.
where is the point that at what point you have stuck? Which point?
The signs.
What here?
The changing of the sign.
It's very simple. Why? It's still confusing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Rest of the signs is different.
Okay, don't worry. Just do that. Just a second, Abdul. Okay, just a second. I'm coming to you as well. So is the first thing you should do that you have to nothing but you just have to reciprocate the sign. If it is negative, you have to take positive sign. If it's negative, you have to take positive, and it's positive, you have to take negative. Only that thing, because it will depend. You will do nothing but you are doing this, and -1 into positive, it will be negative or not. So, and after that, if it's negative, and you will take this positive sign when you subtract. Clear or not?
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No.
Is this difficult? Everybody tell me. Is this difficult to any like Simrat and Abdul?
No, sir. Really is.
Easy na? Easy?
Yes.
Yes or no? So Simrat, you were saying that it's very tough, and I will not, like, you were very scared about it. So now you are
My
scared.
teacher didn't explain properly.
Yes, yes, Simrat.
My teacher didn't explain properly.
So that's what I was saying, that because in school, teacher expects that you know everything from the previous class. But human tendency is to just there is a human tendency that we forget the things, and it's not a big deal. I know that. Don't worry. Now you have got this or not. Tell me now, right now. I'm teaching you right now.
Yeah.
It's my job to understand to both of you, like Abdul and Simran.
Yes.
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Good job.
Very good. Very good. So I'm giving you one more question. You have to do that with the both methods. First one is long division method, and second one is remainder theorem method.
Okay.
So if you have done the long division method correctly, which means that you can find out the remainder theorem as well, because the main method is the long division method. Sometimes happen. Okay. Okay, is that clear? Because it will, if it's in your syllabus, it will be a 5-marker question. I'm sure about it. It will be a 5-marker question. This one with from like 5. If it's saying divide the polynomial by this, so it will be a 5-marker. Definitely 5-marker.
We had it for 5 marks.
I've told you that. I was like, because I knew the pattern like CBSE follows. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just I'm giving you one more question here, and like only 15 to 15 16 minutes are left for the class, so we can do the practice, so that because you have the assessment as well, so that you can attempt the assessment with a very focused mind.
Which one, sir?
Just a second. Simrat and Abdul, clear? Any doubt here till now? You can ask me if you have.
No, sir.
Because this is, and I'm giving you another thing. Just a second. Just a second. I'm giving you one, like it's division is not given. I'm giving you division.
Sir, this one we have to do, yeah? Long
Just
division.
a second. Just a second. Yes, you have to do it with long division. I'm giving you the divisor as well. Divisor is not given in the question. I'm giving it to you again. So basically, divisor is this. This is x equals to 1 by x minus 1 by 2. Okay. This is x minus 1 by 2 is the divisor. You have to divide this polynomial, divide this thing by x minus 1 by 2. Just do it. It's a simple. Do it. I'm giving you 3 minutes.
Sir,
Yes, Abdul. Where is the Abdul? Where is the long division method? I've asked you to do the long division as well. I've asked you to do the both method.
sir, this one is little bit hard.
Why?
Sir, long division we will do together.
Okay.
I can know.
That's not. At least you can try.
Sir, it will be
It's
wrong then.
no issues. If it's wrong, no issues. If suppose Abdul, if that question comes to the exam, comes in your exam, what you will say? You will say that it's hard.
Okay.
Okay, Abdul, I've solved the previous question, which are much. I've given this thing, yes or no? At least try. I'm there, na, so I'm there to solve you. Don't worry. Why are you scared?
Okay.
If you are not able to solve it, I'm there to solve it. I will explain to you.
Sir,
Yes, Abdul.
is it correct?
Just a second. Abdul, it's -1/2. Why did you take +1?
Where, sir?
It has to be divided by -1/2.
Oh.
Oh. Okay, don't worry. Okay, don't do it right now. I'm
Sir,
just
I checked, but I changed the. I did express one.
doing it. No issues. Let me solve it for you. Simrat, any answer?
No,
Why?
this one's hard. It's 1/2.
Very bad. It's very hard now.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. It's not very hard. It's very simple. You have just thought that it's not, you're not able to solve this. Okay. Simple thing. What you will do? X minus 1/2. Clear? Simran, tell me, and Abdul, tell me, I want x cube and x is there with me. What should I multiply?
Sir. Yes, sir.
I'm saying that I have I want x cube and I want x cube and I have x. So what should I multiply with x? So that I get the value the x cube. Yes, Abdul and Simran?
2.
2? Why 2?
No.
Simran?
X square.
X square. Very good.
Oh.
So x square is there. So x is multiplied. So x cube will be left. Will be written down. Okay. Minus half into x square. So minus half, or you can say x square by 2. Yes or no? Yes or no? X square by 2 is different like this. X square minus or x square by 2. Is this different?
No.
No, na? They are same. Okay, so that's why I've written it. It will be a little bit less, you can say, it will occupy less space. Minus sign will be there. This is negative sign. It will be positive because negative into positive, negative. And if I am when we are subtracting, it will change its sign. Clear?
Yes.
This will get cancelled. Yes or no?
Yes.
So 3x square plus x square by 2. 3x square plus x square by 2. Take the LCM. 2 will be LCM because 1 is there. So 1 into because divide 2 by 1, it will be 2. And 2 into 3, 6 x square plus x square will be remain because 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 1 into x square will be x square. So 7 x square by 2. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Clear? So 7 by 2 x square plus 3x plus 1. Clear? Now tell me, Simrat and Abdul, I have x, and I want x is 7 by 2 x square. What should I multiply with x so that I can get 7x square by 2? Tell me, because we have only 3 minutes.
6x square.
No, 7 by 2x. Abdul, 7 by 2x, because x is already there. Simrat, we need x square. So 1x should be there also.
Yeah.
Clear? So plus 7 by 2x. So 7x square by 2 minus, not minus right now. Okay. So minus 1 by 2 into 7 by 2x. So this will be minus 7 by 4x. because 2 into 2 4 and minus 7 will be remain as it is. Clear?
Yeah.
Change the sign. This will be negative. This will get
Negative.
positive. Okay. This will get cancelled out. Yes or no?
Yes.
3x plus 7x by 4. Add them. LCM will be 4. 3 4s are 12 plus 7x. 12x plus 7x. So it will be 19x by 4. Clear? So 19x by 4 plus 1. So
Is the
Simran and
answer?
Abdul, no. I want 19 by 4x and I have x. So what should I multiply with x?
Mm,
Abdul and Simran, please tell me.
19 by 4.
19 by 4 because 9x is already there. I just want the number here. So 19 by 4. So 19, just a second. X is there, 19x by 4 and minus 1 by 2 into 19 by